SWAT Rol was sitting inside the house, lost in contemplation. The sound of footsteps of the robbers approaching inside the house. The robbers raised their guns and fired continuously towards Rol. Rol hurriedly ran upstairs. The robbers chased after him. Rol ran into a room and hid behind a wall. The robbers moved up. They slowly searched every corner for SWAT. One of the robbers immediately called his comrades to advance into a room. Seeing this, Rol rushed out and immediately subdued two robbers. Upon hearing this, the two robbers ran out and fired continuously towards SWAT. Jack also fired back at them. One of the robbers signaled for his comrades to move forward. He stayed outside to cover with gunfire. A robber approached Jack, but he was immediately knocked down, with his accomplice prepared behind him. The robber stood up and punched Rol, knocking him unconscious. The two robbers subdued Rol and took him back to their base. SWAT Ben moved forward, taking cover in the bushes. He took out his phone and confirmed the location was the house in front of him. Ben entered the house and took action. Ben hid behind a wall, observing everything. He planned to shoot the robbers, but their accomplices descended the stairs. Ben observed two robbers chatting with each other. One robber went outside. Ben noticed and followed. Ben quietly approached from behind to attack the robber. However, he slipped as the robber was exercising. The robber tied his shoelaces, unaware, and Ben shot him dead. Upon hearing the gunshot, another robber approached. Ben was prepared and quickly took him down within seconds. Ben swiftly moved up to the next floor. He spotted a robber and immediately shot him dead, without hesitation. Another robber ran out and fired towards SWAT. His accomplices heard and went to investigate. A dozing robber was startled by the gunfire. Two robbers joined forces and fired towards Ben. He rushed out and returned fire. After careful consideration, Ben stepped out and skillfully subdued the Ben continued up to the next floor.
Are you okay?
Two robbers were chatting cheerfully when they suddenly noticed SWAT and were shot dead. Ben returned fire, immediately killing the two robbers. Rol was being tied up by two robbers.
I don't know.
Ben rushed up and upon seeing the two robbers, he shot towards them. Within seconds, he had subdued the robbers. Ben approached Rol and untied him.
Fine. Shut up. Come on. Go.
The two SWAT members quickly left. Ben and Rol happily returned to their base.
Yeah.
The camaraderie among the SWAT team was truly admirable.